this part 1 video, we'll start with the beginning of our journey to Karbala. This is our first time going to Iraq on our own, and we learned a lot. It is so hot. My phone condensed. See how we got there? What are the things we need to be aware of? And why we should be going on this biggest gathering in the world. See how preparation meets reality for this adventure of a lifetime. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna be bringing you guys travel to Najaf, which is in Iraq. So we are gonna go to the airport right now. If you go here, it's like the MRT. You can see the MRT. This is terminal what again? 3. It's open already, so we can do early check-in, I think. Okay guys, so we have already checked in our luggage, and now we're gonna go into the departure hall. Okay guys, we are finally in, and now we're at Coffee Bean. Find it in the gate B5. Okay guys, so now they're calling zone number 4 and we're going in now. Our flight route is a bit broken. Singapore to Dubai, then Dubai to Najaf.
Thank you so much. Welcome aboard. Down this way, please.
Oh my god, this is our seat.
Welcome on board today's flight.
We're moving. This seems to be our first mistake. Dubai to Najaf cost just as much as Singapore to Dubai. So we probably paid the same as a direct ticket, if not more. We're landing soon. Oh my god, it's so hot. It's so hot. Apparently it's 34 degrees Celsius and it's nighttime. Here in Abu Dhabi, it's so hot. The bus here. We obviously booked to Dubai, but then it stops at Abu Dhabi, so we had to come out of this airport, and then the Etihad itself gave like a bus for us to take to go to the Dubai. I mean to go into Dubai, the city of Dubai, but it doesn't go to the airport. To go to the airport, we must find our own way to go there. So later we have to take a bus. I think it's like 2 hours long or something. And from there we're gonna wait even longer to transit to take our next flight to Najaf. Okay, so we got all of our luggages. So this is exit entry for the Etihad coach service. Wow, it's so hot. And now we're on the way to Dubai. We're just leaving Abu Dhabi airport now. Bye bye. So basically, I have not really properly explained what is our trip. We're gonna be going to Najaf in Iraq for the Arbaeen Walk, which we will explain to you more about it later. Okay guys, so we have reached Dubai. You can actually see the Burj Khalifa over there. Oh my god, it's actually insane. So now we are planning to actually take a taxi to go to the Dubai airport. I literally was sleeping, and then I just suddenly woke up and I saw a bunch of skyscrapers. And I'm like, oh, it's Dubai. Okay, we're going to a taxi now. Let's go. So we're at Terminal 2. We're now gonna go check in our luggages. So we can finally go through and get our boarding pass. Because you need visa to go into Najaf. So they were just like getting confirmation from Najaf side to make sure that they did issue a visa to us. And that took like a while. So we are inside the departure hall. So right now we're just chilling over here, the sitting area. The plane ride later will be like 2 hours long, which is gonna go by really fast, like faster than we expect. Because just now the bus ride from Abu Dhabi to Dubai is 2 hours, but it felt so fast. So I'm sure this is gonna feel just as fast, and we're gonna reach Najaf like in no time. So the boarding gate for our flight has opened. Now we're going in.
Have you ever seen this? Have you ever felt this? The feeling so high. Your voice, like my feelings having a choice. And every time I hear your voice, I wish I could remember. And every time I hear your voice, like my feelings having no choice. And every time I hear your voice, I wish I could remember.
Najaf is one of the holiest cities in Shia Islam. Najaf is also where Imam Ali, Prophet Muhammad's son-in-law, the prominent figure in Islamic history, was buried. Najaf is a major pilgrimage destination for Shia Muslims, especially so during Arbaeen, where everyone arrives in this city to start the walk to Karbala. Okay guys, so we finally got out of the immigration and we collected our bags. But it took us such a long time. And there's some people who we talked to just now. So I think some of them are still stuck inside. But we're finally out. Right now we are trying to get a SIM card for our phones so that we can get data when we are outside. Since we are going to be going to the Arbaeen Walk, there is a lot of people going there too. People from all around the world. Just now we met some people from Canada, New Zealand. There's going to be a lot of people, which means that we might get lost in the crowd. So we need a SIM card because a lot of eSIM companies, they don't provide eSIM support for Iraq, and those that do is like really expensive. So we're just gonna get a SIM card. eSIM is obviously the most convenient way, but it's definitely on a more pricey side, and the amount of data that you can get is not a lot there. So we decided to just get a SIM card. We can get it over here. I can't wait to go out and see more of Iraq. I really don't know what to expect. It's been a long time since we went here. We went here when we was like really young last time, and we're finally back. But I forgot everything about Iraq. So we're finally out. We got our SIM card already, and we're gonna exit. We have a driver. We found him through our contacts. But actually, you don't have to book a driver. You can find them almost everywhere. He is now driving us to the Malaysia market so that we could start the walk from there.
We wait how many hours? 2 hours, 3 hours we waited. Not many people, but I want to go. He said no, go chop. What chop? I also don't know. I have to pay some more $50.
They went to from you to pay for them.
You want to chop?
The second time the passengers told me that.
Our first challenge is doing the visa application. Since there is no embassy in Singapore, we had to engage someone to do it for us in Malaysia. The whole process was a bit confusing. For example, we need to apply the visa as a group, and there need to be 5 people inside. We are 4 people, so we had to add another person who is not even going with us. It does not matter if the 5th person is going or not, as long as we pay for 5.
This is the grave of Muhammad al-Sadr, Ayatollah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
The father of Muqtada al-Sadr. You know Muqtada
Yeah,
al-Sadr?
Muqtada al-Sadr.
The father of Muqtada al-Sadr. This is his grave.
Okay.
When every time I hear your voice, like my feelings having no choice. And every time I hear your voice, I wish I could remember.
Every year, millions of pilgrims from around the world meet at Najaf and then walk to Karbala. It's estimated about 21 million people joined in the walk in 2022. Currently, the holy cities of Najaf and Karbala remain safe for visitors. There are military checkpoints along the road, keeping the security in place.
This is the grave of Muhammad al-Sadr, father of Muqtada al-Sadr. You see that building on the right?
Oh, inside there.
That is good.
You know what?
Yeah, this water to spill it on the grave is
Oh, okay.
it's called rose water.
Okay.
If your Arbaeen Walk is part of a longer holiday, then remember to also pack a small luggage with no valuables and just enough cash. We left our big luggage with our driver since we are going for an extended holiday. We felt so privileged to be able to go on this walk to Karbala.
Seawater or pure water?
Seawater. No?
Seawater.
Seawater.
Oh.
The Arbaeen Walk happens during summer this year and the next few years. So be prepared for temperature to be around 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. So you need lots of water and sunscreen. Those vibrant flag colors all have a meaning. While red represents spilled blood and in green it symbolizes Islam and black means mourning or suffering. The word Arbaeen means 40 days in Arabic. 40 days is a mourning period for Imam Hussein, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad. Imam Hussein was killed in Karbala, where he stood up against tyranny, refusing to compromise truth with falsehood. Karbala means the land of agony and affliction. Although this walk is to remember what they have done, you don't have to be a Shia Muslim or even a Muslim to participate in this walk. Love and sacrifices are universal and transcend all boundaries, inspiring all of us.
Nombor dia sebelah kiri dah.
Waqif are actually homestays for people doing the Arbaeen Walk, and the homeowners provide food, drink, and accommodation for free. Some waqifs are tents, and some are buildings like a house with large sleeping hall. From Najaf to Karbala, there's a total of 1,452 poles, covering 80 kilometers. The Malaysian Waqif is run by our Malaysian brothers and sisters. It's located at pole 953. By arriving at pole 953, we only need to walk 25 kilometers to Karbala. Okay guys, so we decided to stop at the place like the Malaysian place. This place is more comfortable, so we'll start from here, which is actually very close to Karbala already actually. We actually know someone who's actually already here, so we're gonna look for them. But yeah, we really like the place to walk. So many people walking. Oh my god. ready for this incredible journey? Stay tuned for part 2 for more about our journey to Karbala. Until we bring you travel again. Bye!